Hey, if you want to change your lock screen on the Windows 11, all you have to do is just to click on the start in the taskbar, then go into the settings. Now from here, click on the find a setting and input a lock screen. Now open the lock screen settings. And first we can depersonalize our lock screen so we can get the Windows spotlight. So it actually means that we'll get the different wallpapers. It will change actually automatically. You can also get your own picture. So from here, you can pick the default pictures from the Windows, but you can also get your own photo by selecting browse the photos, and you can pick something from the different folders. Also, when you go for the slideshow, you can actually input your pictures. So in the normal picture mode, you will actually get only one picture. But if you select, for example, the picture folder, so when you select this folder, you will actually get the slideshow of a very picture that is actually in this folder. From here, we can also enable or disable the fun facts, tips, tricks, and more on the lock screen. In my case, I'm gonna stay with the Windows Spotlight. And from here, we can also get the lock screen status application. So we can get like completely turn off any application. We can get the Xbox console companion, mail, weather, dev home, or for example, the calendar. And also we can show the lock screen background picture on the sign in screen. And that's how it looks right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.